Hello crazy people, my name is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. So if you're new to this community, I'm Vinay and I make these videos on free courses, certification, off-campus recruitment, company reviews and lot more. If this stuff can help you, I recommend you to check my other videos, subscribe and smash the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's get started with today's video. So today Auto Rabbit is hiring freshers. So basically this is like a campus hiring, but you can apply through the careers page. So in order to get a reply from the company when you are applying through the careers page, you must ensure that you have a very good skills and also do remember that the careers page will only pick those resumes which are really good. So if you do not have any skills or if your resume is not matching to their skill set, they will never pick up your resume or they will never leave you a reply. So before you apply for the company, do ensure that your resume is up to date and apply. Only then you get high chances to get a reply from the company. So let's get started with the details of this hiring company and its location, the recruitment process, lot more. So you can also check my other videos where I already made about the company recruitments. You can check out them. So I will leave the link to this page in the description. You can see this post, Auto Rabbit hiring freshers 2020-21 pass outs. So these people are eligible. Those who are completing their graduation in 2020 and 21 are eligible to apply for this. Those who are freshers right now, right? Now these people can apply for this. And coming to the once you see this post, there are other posts as well. If you can wanted to search, you can check other posts. Now here you can directly click this or under off campus. If you click off campus, you will get a post which are under off campus recruitments. You can still check that and you can click on them. So now let us see this post and know the complete details of this. So you can read the complete company profile, job role. So the job role is software developer to be a member of Java developers role. So web-based applications you are going to design here. So the interview process is first round, which is aptitude plus programming test. The second round is technical interview questions, like technical interview rounds, and the third is managerial and HR round. So this is about the interview process, and you can check out the roles and responsibilities. So the desired skills are you must be good at Java, core Java, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. So remember that the required skills are core Java, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. If you do not mention these as your skills or you do not have good projects on this, you are more not likely to get a reply from them. So do ensure that you have skills required to this. Thereafter, you can see this button apply now. You can click this apply now button. So coming to the working locations available, the job location is only in Hyderabad right now. So you can click this apply now button. Once you click this, it will take you onto this page. Here you need to click this button again, which is apply for this job. Now once you click this, you are required to provide your first name, last name, email, phone number, your resume, your current location, year of pass out, name of the institute you studied, and then click submit application. So they will review your application, and if they like it, they will definitely call you back. Other than this, if you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. So coming to the salary discussion. So basically this Auto Rabbit company hires under the role of a hackathon like event, which was already held in the month of July or June, etc. for 2020 pass outs, I guess. So for that, the package was around about 8 lakhs to 13 lakhs. That is the package given for that role, which is called with the process of hackathon. But we are not sure for this role what will be the salary, but the role is same, the Java developer. But we cannot ensure that the same salary is assisted here. So that is about the salary thing. You can ask other questions if you have in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video.